Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Narvaez. I'm going to talk about heads and modifiers. As we know, first of all, we need to understand that words are grouped into phrases and that each phrase has one word, the head. This word controls the other words. The head controls the other words, the modifiers. That means that the head conveys a central piece of information controlling the other words on the phrase. A given head may have more than one modifier and may have no modifier. Later, I will explain what a modifier is. Now, I will give you some examples of what a head is. For example, in these sentences we have the beautiful car. Car is a noun, which is the head of the sentence. The and beautiful, they're the determiner, and beautiful an adjective. These two are the modifiers of the phrase. Number two, small cat. Cat is the noun and is the head of the sentence. Small is an adjective and is a modifier. Number three, Juan plays soccer with Pedro. In this sentence, play is the verb. Play is the verb and also the head of the sentence. As we can see, a head can be a noun or a verb as well, and this head is the central information of the sentence or the phrase. Now, the modifiers. As we know, the modifiers convey extra information. In other words, they are words that modify the head. I will try to explain a little bit with an example. For example, cheap chairs. Cheap, the head, and chairs the modifier. The head word chairs indicates the very large set of things that count as chairs, while cheap indicates that the speaker is drawing attention not to the whole set, but to the subset of chairs that are cheap. As we can see, the modifiers are dependent on the head to make sense in a phrase or a sentence. Modifiers fall into two classes: obligatory modifiers known as complements and the optional modifiers known as adjuncts. The complements. The term complement derives from the Latin verb to fill. That means that the complement expression fills out the verb or noun, completing its syntax but also its meaning. Head and complements are typically adjacent, commonly subject-objects, direct and indirect, and directional phrase. Phrases that are obligatory are called complements. Here are some examples. As we can see, the complements they go together with the head. It gives an extra information to the sentence. For example, Julio likes pizza. Likes is the head and pizza is the complement. I swim in the pool. Swim is the head and in the pool is the complement. And she drives the car. Drives is the head and the car is the complement. As we can see, this pizza in the pool and the car gives an extra information to the sentence. Now, we continue with adjuncts. The term adjunct derives from the Latin verb to join or to add, and simply means something adjoined. An adjunct is an optional or structurally dispensable part of the sentence. That means that it is not in the sentence, we will still understand what the sentence is saying. Like I said, adjunct does not come between the head and any of the complements, and it's commonly about time and place expression. Not always, but it's commonly to use it. For example, my friend eats cookies in the kitchen. Eats is the head, my friend cook is the complement, and in the kitchen is adjunct. Maria bought a gift for Juan last month. Bought is the head, Maria a gift fourth one are complements, and last month is the adjunct. And I played soccer in the park yesterday. I and soccer are complements. Played is the head, and in the park yesterday are the adjuncts. As you can see, if we remove the adjunct from the sentence, it will not change the remainder of the sentence. That means that we can take the adjuncts out from the sentence and still will make sense. Thank you very much. That's it.